Today I'm cooking anchovy fried Bee Hoon or fried rice vermicelli with anchovies for the family meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. First, add 1/4 tablespoon of light soy sauce to 2 eggs and set aside. In a clean bowl, add 1/4 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and half tablespoon of sugar. Whisk the mixture until well combined. Set aside. Switch on the heat to medium. In a non-stick pan, add 75 ml of cooking oil and wait for it to get warm. Add 35 grams of garlic chopped roughly. Stirring for 2 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. After 2 minutes, the garlic is ready. Switch off the heat. It's also very fragrant. Remove most of the garlic and place it on the strainer, shaking off the excess oil. Set the crispy garlic aside. There is too much of oil in the pan now, so I am removing about 2/3 of it from the pan. Set it aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add the egg with the light soy sauce. As the egg is cooking, stir it to get a nice marbling of egg yolk and egg white, like the scrambled eggs. After about 1.5 minutes, the egg is quite solid and ready. Transfer to a plate and set it aside. With the heat still on, add the rest of the garlic oil and 170 grams of dried Bee Hoon soaked in water for 20 minutes or until soft. Spread it out evenly, letting it absorb the garlic oil for about 10 seconds before flipping it. Pour the sauce mix over the Bee Hoon. And 150 ml of water. Stir to combine the Bee Hoon noodle, sauce and water together. Then add 18 grams of mixed bird eye chilli, 70 grams of yellow onion sliced, 25 grams of red chilli strips. Give it a stir. Notice that the Bee Hoon will absorb the gravy over time and become soft. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2.5 minutes, the Bee Hoon has absorbed a lot of gravy and has expanded. Taste it by pressing it in between your fingers. Only some strands broke. This means that it's halfway cooked. Now add in 35 grams of spring onions, then cut into 2 inches length, 260 grams of bean sprout, the cooked eggs, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Give it a mix to evenly distribute all the ingredients. After 1.5 minutes of stirring, the Bee Hoon is well mixed. Give it a taste. Delicious. The texture is just right. Switch off the heat. Add 2/3 of 23 grams of crispy fried anchovy and 2/3 of the remaining spring onions. Gently stir the noodle to spread them evenly, but not too much to avoid breaking the strands. Now our fried Bee Hoon is ready to be served. Dish it out with a pair of tongs. Then garnish with the rest of the spring onions, crispy garlic, and top it with all the fried anchovies. Serve the fried Bee Hoon with some sliced red chilli in soy sauce. Let's eat! Very tasty and flavorful. Thank you and bye-bye!